I like the practice of trying to feel the energy in the body. We have so much energy in the body, doesn't always feel that way, right? Feel like the energy is locked in there and trapped. Eating, one way that energy comes into the body. You know, when we are breaking down food that we ate, is immediately available as energy. You know, the body takes that and it's there. So if we're feeling hungry, got this switch in the body. We switch between metabolic processes. We can be running off the stored energy in our body, and we can be running off food energy. And the body can't do both at once, you know? We don't do both at once. We're over in this eating mode. Energy is running down. We can feel that. You feel that. And then you eat something and you can feel it flow in. It's easiest with a simple carb. You're running low on energy and you hit a simple carb, you know, that will be in the body, I mean, within seconds. And you can feel it. But then you can feel the other side of it. You know, you feel the insulin, you see the blood sugar spike, and then you know, it's like you feel the crashes on the other side. Not a stable situation to create in the body. But it gives us the concept that we can feel it. And so I encourage, say, if we can feel that, let's start feeling some other things in the body. I'm picturing an experience right now. You've even gone through the process. Have you had this? This would be next level, okay? You've gone through the process. You've cooked the food. You're sitting in the space. It's like still the mindfulness. Now we said the pause. Now we said the breath. Now we have it. Just to give some space in that moment to ask the question, like, feel the energy. Say, okay, energy can come in from this source. Feel the energy already in the body. It's like before we've eaten, now we're in that space. This is the difficult space, that phase change between fasting space, eating space. We're trying to create balance in the body, trying to create flow of energy. When we keep the processed foods low, when we keep the carbohydrates low, we make the shift between those systems easier. In the perfect metabolic world, the shift would be pretty seamless. It would not feel unpleasant. This would be like level 10, but even in that moment, even when the food is there, we could still decide that actually this is not the space for it right now. We could still extend it. We could even sit with it and have gratitude for it, but then also gratitude for the body and really sink in and feel it. Maybe you start to feel the phase change. Maybe it's happening as the hunger is peaking and the body is getting the message. Maybe not eating right now. Maybe engaging this deeper energy level in the body. Might need to start releasing energy from the reserves. And as we're feeling the hunger wave coming back down, coming into balance, can you even feel the counter wave in the body of the energy being released? Stored sugar reserves in the liver, in the musculature that are being used to run the system. Body fat starting to be mobilized, shifting us over from the sugar system into the ketone-based system. This is something that you can feel. I'm not going to tell you that it's just all rainbow unicorns as it feels good, okay? On some occasions, though, it can feel good, and I really do want people to be able to have that experience. Doesn't have to feel good, though. A hunger wave, I experience hunger, I think, like anyone else, right? Just can feel very intense, very uncomfortable. Can feel like this is a sensation that I want to stop, you know? And it is certainly a type of strength to make it through a space like that. Absolutely is. Never forced. But on the other side of it, and the goal for it, fasting space, feel like comfort coming into the body, actually. This would be the space to flow through it. This would be, you're at that 10 level, the food's already there, you're having a moment just to open up the space to see if an experience like this would happen. If you get into this space, you say, no, my body's very clear, I don't have the bandwidth, totally fine. But what if you got into this space and maybe you did it 10 times and then one time you said, you know what? I'm taking a breath here. I'm feeling this energy here. I think I might be okay. What if you just kept that pause going a bit? What if you felt that hunger come down? What if you felt the energy in the body coming to replace it, right? The meal would be bringing energy in. When we're trying to lose weight, we're trying to pick the lock, right? Like we're saying, we're trying to give spaces to the body, whether that's an exercise space, whether it's just through our healthiest meal choices, maybe it's an actual fasting space where we're actually opening up the space, stop the flow of energy into the body that was going to be coming in, and now we're just seeing it directly. Instead of that energy powering the body, look, energy that has been locked inside, say, feel it releasing. What if that feels good? What if all of a sudden the body is communicating the message like, you know what? I think this is really going to be okay here. Like we were planning on eating, but look at it. We can do this. Like this is going to feel good. Have you felt it? Like where the stomach actually goes from like kind of churning, feeling hungry. It's like ready to go, but then it settles down and it just really, that the openness just feels good. And you're like, oh man, this is like more space here. Like this is going to calm down. This is helping me take a deeper breath. That it's actually bringing some peace and contentment into the day. This is what I would want for anyone doing it. This is really the only way I want people really long-term practicing fasting. It's okay to have that edge where you're like, I'm a human being. I can do something difficult. We can push through a space if we have the mindset to do it. Never force, never causing stress. But like really, the way I really want and the way to build a fasting practice is to start finding those spaces where it's like win-win. It's like, okay, we're opening up the fasting space, but it's like, and we're also reducing the stress. We're also feeling better. Like the energy is coming, like I feel it. I'm not dragging around. It's like, no, the energy is more.